you read the title of this one, the name of the video is called What's in the Box. Now I'm not going to give it away, but I can tell you this. As a content creator, we're always trying to find new ways and new technology to go ahead and tie in to make better quality videos for all of you. You know what? Let's make it up a little bit more. If you can guess what it is, if you get more than one, if you're the only one who guesses it, you'll win a $10 gift card to Starbucks. And if more than one of you guess it, we'll go do like a raffle and then give the Starbucks card to whoever wins that one. So I want to break down why I picked the 3 Pro over the 3. Just for those of you who are kind of shopping around about which one should you get, the 3 Mini or the 3 Mini Pro. With the 3 Pro, you get the 4 sensors. So as like let's say you're going around bridges or you're going around trees, it's going to be able to detect that and kind of fly and stay away from all the obstructions. Versus the 3 Mini, which doesn't do that. So if you're not a good drone flyer, you could potentially crash it. The other thing about the 3 Mini is it does have 4K, but it's only in 30 frames, so it's really hard to do slow-mo, where the Mini Pro does 4K in 60 frames per second, which for me, that gives you that cinematic feel. So stay tuned, because this weekend's gonna be a fun one of creating some crazy shit. Mountains, snow, water, bridges. Just hopefully I don't crash it.